Paul Oliveira, attorney from the law firm of Oliveira & Associates, Massachusetts car accidents. If you've been injured in a car accident in the state of Massachusetts, then you can recover for a number of different things. Even if it's not your fault, you can recover for lost income and medical bills up to $8,000 under what they call PIP, or personal injury protection. Now, if you have health insurance, then PIP, that is the insurance company on your car, will cover up to $2,000 for medical bills. After that, your secondary health insurance carrier has to pay, like Blue Cross or whoever you have for health insurance. Dealing with the PIP insurance company is not always easy. In Massachusetts, you have to have $2,000 in medical bills. So they can play what I like to call games with people who are injured. What's a game? Well, a game that the insurance company adjuster will play is they will send you to one of their, quote, independent medical exams, IME, that's supposed to be with a doctor who is neutral or independent, even though they're paying the guy. They're not generally, in my opinion, independent. They're generally very biased, and I've seen people who are seriously hurt, and we get an IME report in from the doctor saying that the guy is ready to go out and pitch in the 7th game of the World Series. I mean, it's a game that they play, but we know how to deal with that, so you don't have to worry about that. But assuming that it's the other person's fault, you'd be able to collect from their insurance company not only for your medical bills, lost income, but also for pain and suffering and scarring if you have a disfigurement or a scar. But you have to have $2,000 in medical bills in order to be able to collect for pain and suffering. That's the law in Massachusetts. And you cannot be more than 50% at fault. So if you're 51% at fault and the other driver is 49% at fault, under the law in Massachusetts, you're unable to collect for anything as far as for pain and suffering. You can still get your PIP through your own insurance company for medical bills and wages, up to $8,000, as I said. So hopefully I've explained that to you. If you hire us, we're going to monitor your medical treatment. We're going to call you once a month, make sure that you're treating with your doctors, that if you need an MRI or an EMG or you need to see a neurologist because you're having headaches, there's a lot of different things that can happen when somebody's injured. We're going to make sure you get the right medical treatment. We're going to review your medical records with you every month, make sure that the doctors are documenting the pain and suffering that you're having. There's a lot involved. You might want to look at our webpage for some more information. As far as insurance coverage, to wrap this up, in Massachusetts, a person only has to have $20,000 in coverage per person, or $40,000 aggregate. A lot of people in Mass only carry the minimum. Now, if you have underinsurance coverage on your car, unfortunately, you can't stack that coverage unless you have more than $20,000 per person. So it's a little involved if you've been injured in an accident in Massachusetts, a little more so than other states, but we've got a lot of experience handling these cases. If you look at our largest settlement page, you'll see we've gotten some very large settlements for our clients over the past 24 plus years. So feel free to give us a call or fill out a contact form, as we'd be happy to discuss if you have a case. Thank you.